To lose weight quickly and effectively, follow a low-calorie diet and exercise daily. Some methods to consider. Mediterranean diet. Focus on fish, olive oil, vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, and moderate red wine. Avoid bread, dairy, and processed foods. Paleo diet. Emphasize meats, vegetables, and fruits. Avoid processed foods and modern cooking methods. Whole30 Diet, a 30-day plan that eliminates grains, dairy, sugar, legumes, and alcohol. Focus on meats, vegetables, fruits, and plenty of water. Raw food diet includes fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Be cautious of potential long-term nutritional deficiencies. Smart swaps. Choose fruits over desserts, opt for nutrient-rich snacks, use vinegar or lemon juice instead of high-calorie dressings, and cook with olive oil. Consider incorporating some vegetarian meals weekly to reduce calories and increase nutrients.